To use Apple Pay for peer-to-peer transfers, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS or watchOS installed. You also need to have a debit or credit card added to the Wallet app on your device. First, open the Messages app and start a new conversation with the person you want to send money to. Tap the App Store icon next to the text field and select the Apple Pay icon. If you do not see the Apple Pay icon, tap the three dots and select Apple Pay from the list of available apps. Next, enter the amount you want to send and tap Next. You will be prompted to review the transaction, including the amount and the card you are using to send the money. If everything is correct, tap Send. You will then be asked to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the transaction is complete, the recipient will receive a message with the amount you sent and instructions on how to accept the payment. To receive money using Apple Pay, you need to have a debit card added to the Wallet app. When someone sends you money, you will receive a message with the amount and instructions on how to accept the payment. Tap Accept and the money will be transferred to your debit card. Best practices for using Apple Pay for peer-to-peer transfers include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your device and account information secure, and monitoring your account activity regularly. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Apple Pay for peer-to-peer transfers, such as a small fee for instant transfers to a debit card. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay to quickly and securely send and receive money with friends and family.